pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey gems! Oh my goodness. This box was holding up my laptop. Y'all know my camera broke. I'm waiting on a new one. Whatever. And this box was underneath it when I did this eye look, and I was looking for it. Good job, Karen. Okay, I did tell you there would be a giveaway in this video. There's part of my eyelash that I had to cut. Okay. And it's because I already got one base box, and there were some items in there I knew I wouldn't use, like the Violet Voss palette and the Morphe brushes I already have. And then there was one other item. I'm not really sure what it is. Oh, the Sunday Ride Light. Yeah, I can't use that. And I have one. Oh, let me see. Is this one different? It is. It's variation 25. Okay, so this is what she looks like, guys. Looks like there's a whole lot of different... Oh, I have this. This Mud Mask hair treatment. I have that. That we'll put aside. What is the 2550? All right. We got a bronzer in here, Aesthetica. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, but I am using my webcam, so the lighting's gonna be and I apologize. All right, let's see. Oh, I have one of. Don't I have one of these? I think I have one of these. Oh, that's a pretty color. I could totally use that. One of my favorite bronzers, no lie, and I use it all the time, is this Revolution Ultra Bronze. And it was like $8. Okay, so what is this worth? Bronzer, $24. Okay, I've got too many bronzers, so I'm going to throw this in the giveaway for sure. Somebody out there. Even my good friend Amanda sent me a bronzer too, so I have bronzers. All right, now. Let's see what else we got. Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. Okay, this I definitely have to keep, and it's got a safety seal. I'm liking that, but there's a lot of good stuff. A non-drying pore refining cleanser. Oh, $36. I'll take it. Absolutely. What do we got? What is this milk thing? Milk makeup. Okay, it's a brow gel. I have 87 brow gels. Milk makeup, $20. Is it tinted? I don't know. It says Kush Fiber Brow Gel. Let's see if it's tinted or clear. It is tinted. So I have no, and it has cannabis oil in it. What's up with the cannabis being in everything right now? All right. I'm going to save this for the giveaway as well because I won't use it. I will not. Let's put that over in my giveaway side. The last thing I see is Trestique Summer Glow and Go Set, $42. What is in here? Oh, it's the lip crayons. Why are some big and some small? What is that about? Okay, wait. Let's put these out here. There's little baby ones. Okay, so this mini set features the best-selling shades of the Highlight Stick, Blush Stick, Brow Pencil, and Shadow Crayon. Okay, that's why. So this is the mini brow pencil. Oh, I dislike the ones that are shaped like this. Okay. This here is the mini shadow crayon. So if you're just going to the pool or something and you want a tiny bit of a tint on, that's what this would be good for. Okay, then we have, these are for your lips. Let me try. Barely anything, but again, this would be, you know what, if you're going to the pool and you just want to throw on something. That one's a little lighter. I do like that, or over like a lip topper. Why not? Okay, so I do like that. So overall, I got the lip collection, well, the lip, eyebrow, whatever, you know, the Tristique thing I just showed you. And I got the Dr. Brandt Purifying Cleanser, which I'm totally keeping. But these products here are going to go in with the other box that I told you guys. Okay, so the other box had, oh yeah, there was a MAC lipstick in there too. That's right. All right, let's do this. Ugh. Okay, gonna have to do bigger box, but we're going to do the Violet Voss Essentials 2 giveaway, the MAC lipstick, the Milk Makeup Brow Gel, Tinted Brow Gel, the bronzer, the hair mask, and the Sunday Riley that I couldn't figure out how to open for like 25 minutes of my live yesterday. But all of that is going to be in this giveaway. Ta-da! So now you want to know how to enter, right? Okay, here's what you do. Be subscribed to my channel. Hit the red button if you haven't. Comment, like this video, share it out if you can, but that is not a deal breaker for me. And be 18 years or older or have a parent's permission. And it's international. I don't care where you live. It could be China, and that would be okay with me. Although I'm not really happy with China right now. I don't think anyone, well, you know what I'm saying. It's all cool. So that's it. The official rules and giveaway beginning and end dates will be in the description box down below. The beginning date is from the time this video uploads, and then you will see the date that it closes in the description box. Okay. I love you guys so very much. Thank you for joining me for this video. Did you think it was a good box? Are we box twins? I definitely want to know. Put those comments down below, and good luck to you. Bye, sweeties. Bye, Jones.
Trying to bide our time, we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me.